In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Messenger ringtone on iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option to customize the ringtone for your iPhone 14 Pro Max when using Messenger. So whenever you receive a call or a text, you will be able to set up a custom notification sound. So basically, what you will notice is that when you open the Messenger app, and you head into the settings on any iPhone device by tapping this icon at the top left and then the settings once more, you will find notifications and sounds. Now, on any iPhone model, you will only be able to change the text tone. For whatever reason, through the app itself, you will not be able to customize the ringtone whenever you receive a call. Don't worry, I'm still going to show you a method to do this. But if all you wanted to do was change the text tone, then you can do it from here. Whenever you receive a new message, you will see this text tone be played. Now, if you want to change the ringtone, like I mentioned, you will have to do this outside of these settings. So you have to go into your iPhone settings. In here, access the sounds and haptics category, and at the top, you will be able to find ringtone. And as you might expect, by changing the default ringtone on your iPhone, it is going to be reflected across Messenger and any other applications. Sadly, for whatever reason, they don't allow you to change this inside of the app, so you will have to customize the default ringtone. Once you change the default ringtone on any iPhone, including the 14 Pro Max, it is going to be reflected to the Messenger app. So whenever you receive a call, it is going to use this default ringtone that you have selected. You will be able to change it at any time. And like I said, through the app itself, you can only change the text tone. If you are on Android, you will be able to change both inside of the app. But for iPhone exclusively, you have to do it through these settings. So remember to change the ringtone and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Messenger ringtone on iPhone 14 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.